Hey, so let me show you a few camera tips, tricks and the best features of your Redmi Pad SE. So first, when you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can do this by using your two fingers, right? You can zoom in like that. But you can also do this with your one finger by holding this 1x preset. So click and hold and you will unlock this slider and take a look how easily you can zoom in and zoom out. And that's, by the way, the quality of the 5x zoom that you can use on the Redmi Pad SE. Next, you are also able to change the brightness level of your photos. By tapping on the screen, you will find this sun icon that you can move up and down to increase or decrease the brightness level. And you can also do this automatically by tapping on the screen once. If you want to change, for example, the color and temperature, you can also do this by tapping right here on the left bottom corner, of course, when you are in the photo mode. So right here, just take a look. When I pick these filters on the left side, it is changing the color and the temperature. If you want to get original look, go for the normal. Next, when you tap right here, you can find other options, more advanced options. And for example, you can enable shutter delay between 3, 5 or 10 seconds. When you select 3 seconds and click on the shutter, after this time the photo will be taken. Let's turn it off right now. And we can move to the settings where you can find other useful options. For example, we can enable option to tap to take the photo. And also we've got the additional shutter. So right now, when you click on the screen, you will take the photo. And when you swipe from your shutter, you will have this additional shutter. You can also move it. So as you can see right here, and the screen is really big, and you've got a couple of the options to easier navigate in your camera. If you want to get it back, you can just drag it right here. When we go back to the settings and scroll down, we can find a volume buttons function. So currently, when I'm gonna click on the volume up or volume down, I will take a photo with the 2 seconds of shutter delay. But we can also use them as a normal shutter or as a zoom. So you can decide. Currently it looks like that. When I'm gonna press and hold the volume up button, I'm gonna zoom in, and with the volume down, I'm gonna zoom out. Let's take a look for the settings one more time. Maybe we can also find other useful options. So we can simply get rid of this shutter sound. But if you want to get it, you can also customize by going right here to the custom shutter sound. So currently it's the default one, but you can switch to retro, film or modern. Honestly, this one sounds the best. Take a look. Yeah, I'm gonna stay with this one. Next, we can also go for the short videos, just right here. And in these videos, you can actually change the quality by tapping right here. So I can recommend you to go for the full HD, but you cannot change the frame rate, so we can only record with the 30 frames per second. And right here, we can add some filters like in the photos, but also we can add music to your video. For example, this one. Okay, for some reason it doesn't produce any sound, but let's select it. And here we can also speed it up or slow down. So let's select 3x speed and let's try to record short video. Okay, and let's pause. Let's see how it looks. So that's the preview of our video. We can try to turn on the volume. Okay, right now we can find the sound. And to save, click right here on the marker. And let's try to play it. Accept the permissions. Okay, so that's the short video function of the camera. And also right here, you've got option to scan your documents. So for example, if I want to get some information from this box, I can put it next to the camera, just like that. And if I want to take the whole text of this box, I have to put it into the frame, then click on the shutter. Now just wait a little bit, and as you can see, it just select the whole text. We can also adjust by moving this and this dots, but click in the right upper corner to save, and take a look how it looks right now. So that's a great way to scan your documents with the Redmi Pad SE. And yeah, that's basically it. That's all the best tips, tricks and features of the camera in the Redmi Pad SE. Bye bye!